Folks, it's Philip from Pacific Coast Yacht Sales. We're on board our 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. It's a 1993 model. It's in beautiful shape. I turned on all the electronics for you. It's got a GPS map 740S, chart plotter, touchscreen unit, a JRC 1500 radar, and an ICOM ICM 304. Turn on the blower so you can hear it running. And we are going to start with the starboard engine, a couple of pumps on the throttle, bring it back to about a quarter of a turn, and we're going to crank it over. There it goes. Fires right up. Give it a little bit more throttle. Quick thing to look at the gauges. Temp gauge isn't registering. Got 40 psi of oil pressure, which is great for that 5.7. It's got a full tank of fuel. There's a big plus. Charging 12 volts right now. It's plugged into shore power, so the batteries are fully charged up. The sink is on as well right now. And we're going to start and do the exact same thing on the starboard engine. A couple of pumps all the way up. And we're going to give it another try here. And it fired right up. Exactly the same thing. Quick look at the temp gauge. Where is it? There it is. Not even registering a dead cold start. 45 psi of oil pressure. 13 volts charging now on the port side. Full fuel tank on that port side too. So you'll know what this boat does on sea trial. It's a 22 knot cruise at 3,400 RPMs. I'm gonna pull back the throttle ever so slightly. You can see the sink gauge working nicely. That is a startup video for you. Your 330 Sea Ray Sundancer 1993. Doesn't get any better. These were dead cold starts and they fired up right away. Let's just take a look out the back so you can see what it looks like. I usually do that per engine, but I started both right away. Quick look out the back. Nice throaty sound. They're coming out the side there, out of the side vent. Lots of water flowing. And let's look at the port side. Probably see exactly the same thing. There we go. Nice and clean. No smoke whatsoever. These engines are running beautifully. 1,400 hours on these engines. Original engines, original, basically all original boat. Lots of upgrades and lots of maintenance has been done over the years. It does not get any better than this. It is a 330 Sea Ray Sundancer. The starboard wiper works. The port wiper works. The center wiper will not be fixed. We're disclosing that. It'll also be in our listing agreement or in our specification sheet. PacificCoastYachtSales.com 604-708-1980. That's the startup video. Another quick look at the gauges. The temp is starting to come up on that starboard engine there. It's coming up to 130. The volts have picked up ever so slightly, 40 psi. Let's look at the same on the port side. The port engine's starting to climb up right now. I started one before the other. It's got 45 psi. The engines are both running perfectly. I got a slightly more RPMs on the starboard engine versus the port engine. Pull back the throttles. What a great running boat. 13 volts now charging on that starboard engine, 14 on the port engine. What you want to see, it doesn't really get any better than that. PacificCoastYachtSales.com. Thanks for watching.